Amber. It is December 15th, and the shirt of the day is for Lion Country Safari. Please don't guess what I want for Christmas. Just ask me, and then I'll tell you telestrations. At Lion Country Safari, humans are the ones that are in cages, and the animals get to roam free. Which got me thinking, what do animals see when they look at us?
Steak. Come here, pretty. That's a good dinner. Come closer now. Yes. Yes. Get on over here. My, what lovely bones you have. I think I'd like to use your femur bone as a toothpick when I'm done with you. Come here, bony girl.
Oh, please. I do not even care. I have cobras to kill. Later losers with only 2 legs. Ha!
I'm tripping out, man. There's something upside down and walking, and I just can't stop scratching myself. Maybe if I just lay here, it'll go away. Batman, Batman. Oh, I mean, people are friends, not food.
That was weird. Perhaps it's best that we visit animals in a safe environment, like at the Lion Country Safari in West Palm Beach, Florida. Check them out at lioncountrysafari.com. Telestrations is better than a kitten with a bow tie in a basket. Oh, that was weird. Perhaps it's best that we can visit animals in a safe environment, like at the Lion Country... Ryan! Really? Really?
I thought you were practicing your lines.
No, I'm filming.
Sorry.
Go ahead, finish.
I thought you were practicing your lines.
I was practicing, and then now I'm filming. And say goodbye to my babies.
She's like, God
No.
damn it. Gosh.
So this is why you got in the kitty castle.
Yeah.
Say goodbye, Whiskey. Bye-bye. It was fun making videos for you guys all year. Whiskey says bye. Bye-bye. And Olive says bye. Mwah.